How to redeem code for YouTube Premium. Hey everyone, today I'll show you guys how to easily enter your redeem code for YouTube Premium. In order to do that, you can do it via your web browser. Go ahead and open any web browser you have on your phone. I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now once you've opened it up, just go to a new tab and then search for youtube.com and then type in /redeem. Once you have done that, you should be directly taken to the redeem page for YouTube. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to log into your account at the top right corner of your screen. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn off my desktop site. So here you can enter your redeem code for YouTube Premium. If you're redeeming a gift card, you'll continue to Google Play after you've entered the code here. And just enter the 16-digit or however long is the code. Once you have entered that, tap on next, and if the code is valid, then it will be immediately applied to your account after this. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.